Hello YouTube. You might be wondering what this thing is here, and for those of you who are into photography, this is just a basic standard tripod, or is it? However, this tripod is a lot different to any other tripod that you might see on the market. For number one, it's pretty small, really small. And number two is, well, nothing really. It's a tripod with extendable legs and a rotating arm, so you can move around and get some nice angles. What makes this tripod different, rather than having the universal thread, so you can pretty much attach any camera onto it. For example, this is my Canon camera. So as you can see, no problem. The thread goes in there nice and easily. No problem. You have a camera on a tripod. Nothing new. But we've seen all this before, you know. We've seen all this type of stuff before. This is not kind of, different to any other tripod that is on the market. However, for any iPhone 4 users out there, preferably with the new HD camera that shoots 720p, you might be wondering, there's only so much you can take of just doing the steady hand and the close shots. You want to mount this beautiful camera on a nice tripod, but the iPhone does not support the universal screw. How do you do that? Well, it just so happens that this tripod made by Viabon, it's called the V-Pod, comes with an adapter. It looks like a clamp, but it's not really a clamp. It's specifically designed for handheld phones or any other devices that does not have that universal thread. However, this one does have the universal thread. So what you do is, you screw this in like this, like so, and that's probably all you do. You can figure out the rest of it. You have a little stand there, little clamp, so you can imagine, you just mount your iPod or iPhone or whatever in like that, and now you've got an actual tripod for your iPhone. And in regards to it standing up to nearly 2 feet, I think it is, this thing goes up pretty high. As well as that, it has a booster, so you can go up and down. It has a rotating arm, so you can get some nice pan angles or nice pan shots. It is a bit difficult to work with, so I recommend holding one hand and then doing it like that, because it does get a bit tricky. However, you might think it's a bit stiff, so okay, I'll just loosen it. You loosen it, and then it becomes entirely floppy if you want to go mad, really. And you can just screw it back up again. And it goes up, it goes down, expandable legs, blah blah blah. And then this doesn't have to be just for the iPhone. You can put anything you want into that clamp. You can even put your camera into the clamp. Not that I would recommend it, but you can if you want. Anything that does not have that screw, you can put into that. You can even put a little iPod mini into it, or an iPod video, or whatever you want, an iPod nano. Anything that will support that and will have a bit of room on the outside. Or even if you want to do it in portrait, that's no problem whatsoever. It's great. It's a pretty little camera. And you might be thinking, well, hang on, will the phone not fall? Will it not be jerky? Well, you can see on the stand, they have grasps either side. Well, not either side, just on one side, but none on that side. That, when I first saw, was either a design flaw or they did it for a reason. But it turns out they do it for a reason. Because think about it, if they put a grasp on each side, you'd be limited to only that size. That, only having it on one side, adds a nice 90-degree angle for a nice sturdy shot. So if you just jam it in without that stand, you have to kind of angle it up a bit, but if you just jam it in and close it, it sits perfectly at 90 degrees. If you want to do a portrait, just rest it against it, perfect 90 degrees. Having loads of room on the outside to do whatever shot you want. And me, personally, I think that is brilliant. It's from a country called Velbon, V-E-L-B-O-N, and the name of the device is called the V-Pod. And apart from it being so small and pretty much cheap as hell, it cost you a budget of €20. That is like the cheapest tripod I've ever bought. And apart from it being ultra portable, it just folds into itself, and you get a case for it. So you get the little case that goes in like this, and then you close it, like so. And you can get the clamp and use it as a tie knot. And there you go. You're on the run for using a tripod. And I think that's personally the coolest thing I've ever bought, an accessory to the iPhone. Because the camera on the iPhone is brilliant. It's a lovely 720p camera. I want to get some nice steady shots. And no matter how good of a camera person you think you are, holding it steady or doing the cradle or doing the whatever shot you think you can do best, you are going to get some stutter, you are going to get some jitter. Why not get a tripod? iPhone's cases, I'm pretty sure there is a case out there that would support a 30-pin, or not 30-pin, a universal thread, but you want to get a tripod. So that for 20 quid is brilliant. I'll put a link down below as to where you could get one. Buy one if you have an iPhone 4, if you respect the camera and you want to get some amazing steady shots. and you even want to mount it on a tripod, that's what the purpose of this is for, get it. I'll put a link down below as to where you can get it. €20. It's a deal. This has been Jason Emma Fun. Thanks for watching.